have to write it.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now, not now. Recording is now. Just wait for a while. Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Boys, this is uh, 18th October 2020. Periods of the periodic table. Okay. In the last video, I mean the last session of the class, we cover up about the groups. Here we have discussed with periods. The horizontal row in the periodic table are called periods. Okay, from left to right, it is called periods. So first point is here, periodic table. Just hold on, let me rotate if it is present. Okay, first point, periodic table consists of 7 periods. How? Let me count it. Look, boys, now all of you boys pay attention. Look at this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is 7. These two lines, it belongs to from here. Okay, these two blocks. So as a total, we have a 7 periods. Okay, come again, our point. Um, we are saying first period has 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. Second and third period has 8 elements. Fourth and fifth period each has 18 elements. We will see. We are saying in the first period we have 2, hydrogen and helium. Look at there. If you just move on the straight, we have 2 elements, helium. This one is hydrogen. Second one we are saying it's 8, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? And second, third, we are saying we have 8 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And look like here. In the third, we are saying 18. So we will count it's about 18. Okay, means fourth and fifth period has 18 elements, right? And look like here, we are saying now we will read again. In sixth period has 32 elements, seventh period has 32 elements, and it is incomplete. What does it mean? We will see. This is 36. 36 means 1, 2, and then we will start 57 to 71. Look, 57 to 71. We will count it, and then we will finish our counting till here, 86, right? So as a total, we have 36 elements. Here it is also same thing, meaning same numbering, but we are saying that it's incomplete. Incomplete means, look at there, it is mentioned here, unknown. Okay, unknown, unknown means it is incomplete. Still we are waiting about their masses, means still we didn't found their mass number. Okay, what is the definition of mass number? Means a number of proton plus number of neutron. Okay, still it is undefinable. That's why we are saying it is incomplete. Look, read it again. Seventh period has 32 elements and it is incomplete. Okay, let me share the second heading. Wait for a while, boys. Okay, this one. And let me open the full screen. Okay, now informations we get from group number and period number. Okay, the information we get from group number and period number. Two things are there, group and period. We already know that if we are moving from upward to downward, it is called group. When we are moving from left to right, it is called period. Okay, this thing is already clear with us. So what is there, the group give us any information? We will see here. Group number tells the number of valence electrons, outermost shell of electron of an atom. I'm repeating again. Group number means any group, means 1, 2. For example, we are saying that group now hydrogen. Hydrogen belongs to the group 1. All of you boys, are you there with me? Okay. So group number means, for example, hydrogen. We will see that hydrogen belongs to the in first group. So we are saying that the first group means the hydrogen. For example, hydrogen have one in one group, tells the number of valence electron. Valence means the last electron. It is also mentioned in the bracket, outermost shell electrons. So group 1 means all the members which belongs to the group 1 have one electron in the outermost shell. Mean in the last shell it should be 1. Okay, it is look, it is a good information. So for example, okay, example are there to more understanding. We are saying sodium has one valence electron because it is present in group 1. Okay, because sodium belongs to group 1, so we are saying that one valence electron present in the last shell. Same, we are saying magnesium has two valence electrons because it is present in group 2. Okay, because it is present in group 2. So two electrons are present. Okay, two electrons are present. Wait for a while. Okay, so because why? Because magnesium belongs to group 2, right? Then we are moving to the period number. Period number tells the total number of shells of an atom. Total number of shells. Okay, group number means he's given us the information about the electrons of valence shell. Valence means outer shell. Period show us about the number of shells. Number of shells. For example, we are saying lithium has two shells because it is present in second period. You know, if the element present in the second period, so we are saying that that particular element belongs to the second period. Same thing, potassium has four shells because it is present in the fourth period. Potassium has four because it belongs to the fourth period. We are saying that potassium containing four shells. Okay, hopefully you got some idea regarding this concept.